Welcome to Technia TV. Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Kumar. Today I am delivering lectures on types of external data. External data can be classified as published data, computerized databases and syndicated services. Now, what is published data or published sources? Most secondary data are collected from published sources. Some important sources of published data are of the following. First one, published reports of central and state government and local bodies. Second one, statistical abstracts, census reports and other reports published by different ministries of government. Third one, official publications of the foreign government. Fourth one, reports and publications of trade associations, chamber of commerce, financial institution, etc. Fifth one, journals, magazines and periodicals. Sixth one, report submitted by economists, research scholars, bureau, etc. Seventh one, published work of research institution and university, etc. The methodology for searching information in published sources can be specified in following 5 steps. Step 1. Identify the gap between what we know and what the researcher requires. Step 2. Develop a list of key terms and names. Step 3. Search the guides, directory, indexes for the required data. Step 4. Compile the literature what we have found. Step 5. Consult reference librarian, directory guides and authorities in the relevant field. Now, the second type of secondary data is computerized databases. It refers to the data which is available in electronic form. It can be classified as online, internet and offline. What is online database? An online database is a database accessible from a network, including from the internet. It refers to the data which is lying a central data bank and can be accessed from anywhere through a telecommunication network. The second one is internet database. It refers to the data which can be accessed, searched and retrieved from the internet. Third one, offline database. It refers to data which is available on various storage media like diskette, CD, DVD. And internet data when downloaded and stored on secondary storage become an offline data. Computer database can be in the form of bibliographic database. A bibliographic database is a database of bibliographic records, an organized digital collection of references to published literature including journal and newspaper articles, conference proceedings, reports, government and legal publications, patents, books, etc. They are composed of citation to articles in journals, magazines, newspaper, technical reports, government documents and marketing research studies. These databases have information available in an abstract or summary form. Numeric database is another form of computer databases. They are the numerical and statistical database. These are economic data that is provided in a time series form. The third one is the full text database. They contain the complete text of document. The archives of newspaper lie in a full text form. A researcher can retrieve the complete article from a newspaper online database. The next one form of the computerized database is directory database. It refers to a complete list of individuals, organizations and services. The third type of secondary data is syndicated services. It refers to the company that collect and sell data to various clients having different information needs. These services are provided by certain organizations which collect and tabulate marketing information on a continuing basis. This is the culmination of my lecture on types of external data. Hope you will enjoy this lecture. Watch Technia TV for more lecture on research methodology. Thanks a lot.